Hey guys, it's Vanessa. I am so excited to show you how you can de-stress and nourish your skin. If you're like me, stress shows up on your skin and you probably know the symptoms well. Redness, itchiness, blotchiness, increased dryness, or sensitivity. With that in mind, First Aid Beauty created Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil, specifically to help banish the stressed out skin so many of us encounter. This unique dry oil combines two powerful skin-soothing ingredients: Cannabis Sativa seed oil, which is rich in omegas and fatty acids, and colloidal oatmeal, which helps calm and soothe dry or distressed skin. Together, they work to help de-stress, relieve, and nourish reactive skin. This fragrance-free facial oil is also packed with 16 cold-pressed botanicals, like Arnica montana flower extract and borage seed oil, that help hydrate and accelerate skin's natural healing processes. And, like all fab products, it's allergy tested, safe for sensitive skin, and cruelty-free. Use it like a serum and apply after cleansing. What I love about this product is that it can be used alone because it absorbs fully, or layer under your moisturizer. I also like to add a few drops to my tinted moisturizer as a soothing booster. It's designed for the face, but can also be used as a treatment oil for hair, nails, and body. In a consumer perception study, Fab found that 100% reported their skin felt immediately soothed after using this product. And after 10 days, skin felt relieved, nourished, and less stressed out. It's time to finally kiss your stressed out skin goodbye with First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil.